Hello! Well, it is Christmas Eve, guys, and I'm going to make this probably my last video of 2024, but you never know. Something might happen between Christmas and New Year. It sometimes does, sometimes does. Anyway, you'll see I'm sat in my car. Now, some people may have already noticed or may have already dealt with this. You probably have if you've worked on these cars as well. But I just want to appeal to everyone out there, just in case you didn't think the subscription world could go much further than your Netflix, your YouTube and all that good stuff. Well, it can. It can. And I was having to play in my car earlier. This is kind of the basis of the video right now. Oh, so cars are pretty much all built the same now. If you didn't know, you do now. They're all built the same now. So cars in the past, if it hasn't had the spec, you'd have to buy, obviously, the control modules. You'd have to code them in, and you'd have to put the hardware in, such as like heated seats, that kind of thing. You'd have to change everything. However, my car that I'm sat in now isn't spec'd from factory with heated seats, but I just want to show you what this video is about. Just as a bit of a giggle more than anything, because this is the way of the world. And how fucked up has it got? I mean, you've probably all heard the joke that BMWs have a subscription on their indicators. Oh, it might get to that point, guys. But anyway, let me flip you around and I'll show you what I mean. So here we are. Hold on. Can I turn that light off now? Okay, we'll leave the light on. Excuse me. So, main screen of me 8.5 Golf. This is 2024 Golf. And ignore these heated seat buttons here, because this is what I was doing earlier. So I'm going to show you just exactly what it is. It baffles me. Blows me mind. So let's go on to the main menu. Right. And you've got all sorts of things like App Connect. Everything that you normally see, guys, on a car, you'll see. Right, anyway, if you whip on over to shop. Now, this is fairly modern cars. Ignore the fingerprints and all. Dirty bastard I am. I do need to wipe the screen, though, guys. Camera shows it up well, right? Don't look like that in the car. Anyway, I've got all my yellow ambiance, the lighting. And you can go into products, right? And you can subscribe to stuff. I know, you can subscribe to stuff. So I can have mood lighting. I can have main beam front assist, so automatic main beam. Air care. I can have the Spotify app, which is fucking pointless if you've got CarPlay. And you can have data plans. Don't know about that one yet. Dynamic background lights, pretty cool. That kind of changes as the weather changes, your speed changes, all that kind of thing. That is cool. I've already used that one. So you get a free month on all of them. So as you can see, when it says from 0, I ain't used it. And this one was on there. I thought, I'm going to have a little look at that. Is that a thing? And I thought, you know what? If it gives me the option on the screen, then that's all it can be. Just an option on the screen. I didn't think they were fitted with these. And you'd think we'd get told this, wouldn't you? You'd think that that'd be a thing. However, I didn't know. Now I do. So subscribe to that. It takes you into this menu. You can go and order it and everything. So I'll give you the prices if it lets me. So here you go. I've got a month on it. You get a free month, like I said. Gives you all the bollocks about heated seats and all that good stuff. Oh, yeah, look. So I can purchase it forever for £330. I could do a year, £81.90. Or, if you're sensible, guys, not that I'm giving any financial advice here, but if you're sensible, £8.20 a month, because you ain't going to use it all year round. Bear with me on that one, guys. There are your prices. Anyway, that's just for heated seats. Obviously, whatever the other options are, that price will change. So, yeah, £8.20 a month, sorry. Which ain't bad in the really cold months, eh? You know what I mean? But how weird's this? You can just subscribe to stuff. And it's not a case of subscribe once you've got it. You can kind of cancel it, come back to it in a few months, whatever you like, whatever you fancy, using on your car. But yeah, you see why I just wanted to come on camera and just show you that, because that is bananas, isn't it? That's the modern world of everything subscription. However, I think it's brilliant in the case of if you don't want it all the time. Sweet, because when you buy a car and you spec a car with something, it can be fucking expensive, right? So yeah, like you've seen there, 330 quid for heated seats, or £8 a month. See, it'll take a lot of months to spend that 330 quid, won't it? So even if you only have the car 3 or 4 years, it's not going to be as much as speccing it up. So if you add all them optional extras onto your car when you order a car from factory, you can get sky high, can't it? So I can see the flip side of having them options. But I just wanted to bring you along and show you, because I think it's weird as fuck. Cool as fuck, but weird as fuck as well. So guys, yes, the subscription situation is very much here. So if you've got a fairly modern car and you've got online services and stuff like that, just have a look in the options. See if you can find a menu like that. And if you can, down in the comments, tell me what you can subscribe to. And if you think the prices are reasonable, even if you want, just chuck the prices down there. Let me know. See if it's different across all brands. But guys, have a fantastic Christmas. If I don't see you before, have a really good New Year. And I'll see you in 2025. And we'll see what magic we can make happen in the next year. Big love, guys. See you in a bit.